government is ready to assist students to leave Cuba. Words of Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith. Minister Kamina Johnson-Smith says that the government remains ready to assist Jamaican students wishing to leave Cuba amid economic and energy-related crisis. The minister went further to say that no student so far has requested assistance to return home, but noted that the support remains available, and that is subjected to flight availability. The minister went even further to reveal that the University of the West Indies and the Caribbean School of Medical Science have indicated that they have the capacity to accommodate students wanting to return home if necessary. This is amid the ongoing deepening issues between Cuba and the United States within the region of CARICOM. I am Ishmael Douglas reporting for Deeper Jamaica News.